friends, and welcome to Night and Day TV. Chris Cantori here, and Voices from the Heart 2, the CD release concerts happening at the House of Blues this weekend to benefit just in time for foster youth. Again, happening this Saturday, September 21st, and the Boundary Birds will be playing live out there. Got the CD here, Boundary Birds there, and we have DeBlois. Is that right, DeBlois?
That's correct.
All
You
right.
said it right.
First time I've ever said that name, DeBlois Milledge of the Boundary Birds, performing a song off the record, Try Not to Call. Ladies and gentlemen, DeBlois of the Boundary Birds.
Hey, good to be with you.
Only just met a few weeks ago. What was that you said about taking it slow? It's like you put a magnet inside me, drawn closer to you every day. Don't leave me a message, I'll try not to call, but this thing called love is too big for us all. I try to put you away, safe in my heart I keep the key. You break out of these chains, I know I'll never stand a chance. But don't leave me a message, I'll try not to call, but this thing called love is too big for us all. I'm holding my breath, I wanna get you on the phone. I got something to say, get it off of my chest, that's the only way. I'm hoping that you answer me this time. Don't leave me a message, I'll try not to call. This thing called love, baby, it's too big for us all. I'm holding my breath, I wanna get you on the phone. I got something to say, get it off of my chest, that's the only way. Hoping that you answer me this time. I'll try not to call, but it doesn't do me no good. I try not to call, but it feels so good. Try not to call, I try not to call.
DeBlois.
Thanks a whole lot.
The Boundary Birds, Try Not to Call. Pick up the new EP, 7-songer here. This just came out, right, DeBlois?
Just came out, yes.
That's
true.
fantastic. What can you tell us about this record?
I love the CD. I'm really proud of it. It's 7 original songs. It's got a little bit of everything, some folky blues and some country rock. It's got a little of what you want.
Very cool. Now, where could we find you guys online, the Boundary Birds?
I'd like you to find us online at boundarybirds.com, and we're also on
Easy
Facebook.
enough. And you're playing this weekend down at the House of Blues for the benefit show down there, the new CD, Voices from the Heart 2, and this is for just in time for foster youth. What an incredible program, huh?
Yeah, what a neat idea. These kids, you know, they really need the help right at that moment when they age out of the system. So it's a really unique way to become a part of your community and support these kids right when they really need you.
Absolutely. Well, we appreciate you coming down today. Do you know what time you go on at the House of Blues this Saturday?
Yeah, we start at 8.
Look at that. Easy enough. All right, get more information online. Actually, we have a story up on the benefit at utsandiego.com/entertainment.